Hey you guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys know I am in protective style season right now. So today's wig, it is from none other than WowAfrican, ladies and gentlemen. So the wig that I have is the black curly bob human virgin hair lace front wig. It's in a 14-inch cap size 7, 150% density, and it's in a natural black. So the great thing about this wig is that it pretty much comes prepared for you. It's already bleached. The knots are already bleached, which saves you so much time. And the edges are already plugged, like the hairline is plugged. So if you want to go in a little more, you can. But if you're like me and just gonna be a beginner for the rest of your life, then you don't have to do much work and it still comes out pretty well. So my hair is in mini twists right now, so I'm just gonna put those up so that my hair is laying as flat as can be. Now, you know, I'm a dark-skinned chick, but you know, can't find my dark skin or my dark brown wave caps or wig caps, so I'm just gonna roll with the light skinned chick wig caps for right now, but we'll fix that later. So I'm just throwing the wig on right now to see how it fits my head, to see if I need to adjust it in the back or anything like that. And without adjusting it, it already fits very well, so I'm pretty pleased with that. So here is the curl pattern that this hair comes in. It's very beautiful, definitely very, you know, 3C looking. And I'm just gonna go ahead and darken up the lace a little bit and also the wig cap, so that I'm only darkening up the part that's going to be showing. No need to do the whole entire wig cap. It's not that serious, okay? Save you some time. So of course you guys already know this part that got to be glued around the edges. Just go ahead and put it where you need to do it. I didn't plan on wearing this wig all day because I had other things to do, so I didn't do it too thick on my head, but you know, I just did it a little slight work, and then just blow dry it so it becomes tacky. Alright, so after I cut the lace off, I'm just going to go ahead and place this wig where it needs to be placed. Now, it is a bob, so you can't play with it too much because then it'll start to look lopsided. So make sure the sides are kind of evened out the way that you like it to be before you place it down on your head, or else you're going to be stuck in a really not good looking situation. So just make sure that the sides are, you know, leveled out the way that you like it to be. Make sure that you got the edges laid down nicely so that when the wind blows, it doesn't just, you know, flap up off your head. So right now I feel like I'm looking a little crazy because it's a little too uniformed. The curls are very pretty, but I like a little more of a natural afro type of look, a little more of a type 4 type of look, or just something that's not so uniform, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to take my fingers, no hair products or anything, and just begin to comb through lightly, not to disturb the curl pattern too much, but to just give it a little bit more of a natural, less, you know, whatever, less uniform type of look, because don't nobody want that. So I'm just going to play it in my hair a little bit. And the best thing about this wig is if you feel like you overdid it, or if you want to go back to more of a uniform look, all you have to do is wet it with some water and the curls will pop back right away. So I'm just going to continue to play with it until it gets to my liking, and continue to comb out my hair so that I can really get the size and shape that I'm looking for. Alright, the last thing I'm going to do is just trim the hair a little bit to kind of shape my face, and just cut some parts that I feel are just kind of drooping and lagging around. I'm looking like I know what I'm doing, but I don't really do too much. But that's the great thing about this wig. You don't have to play with it too much to get the look that you're, you know, going for. So this is what I got going on here. I just want to let you guys know that they are having a Black Friday sale, up to 25% off of all their wigs. And I have a discount code for you guys. You can use Jess15 for $15 off of your lace wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!